puppy, this is a redneck man daughter. We're in the nursery, so it's kind of loud. She's 6 months old and she weighs 3.4 pounds. She is absolutely beautiful. She's a little wet around her face. She's got a beautiful red coat. It's absolutely gorgeous. She's got black tipping, but she's got the red. She has a soft coat, cottony coat. This puppy is absolutely beautiful. Hey, girl. Hey, pretty girl. Well, it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. We're in the nursery, so it gets kind of loud in the nursery. This puppy is very, very beautiful. She is a true Chinese Imperial Shih Tzu from Seminole Show Lines. 3.4 pounds at 6 months old. You can see the comb beside this girl. There you go. Put the comb beside her. It's a regular comb. Chewed up comb. But it's a regular comb, and she is from Seminole Show Lines. She is absolutely gorgeous. She's a happy-go-lucky girl, very healthy, very sweet, and she is going to her new home. Like I said, 3.4 pounds at 6 months old. Very soft, cottony coat, beautiful, beautiful coat, red coat. Black tipping, red coat. You can see it. She's wet on her face. She got the water. Beautiful squishy face. Seminole's redneck woman is her grandmother. Seminole's raging spirit is her grandfather. Redneck man is her father. Put the quality back in Imperial Shih Tzus. Listen to them puppies. Put the quality back in the Imperials. Big dark eyes. No eye white. This puppy is as perfect as they come. If she was a larger Shih Tzu, she could be shown.